Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Rollbar day for the NC. Let's unbox it and get it in there. Okay, I've read the directions at least halfway through to at least start with what I'm doing here. So it's gonna sit flat up here. You can scrape this, they say, just to give it a flatter spot if yours is really goopy. But honestly, this one's pretty flat, so I don't know that we're gonna need to scrape it. Same thing with that side, and it sits right along here. Then the front part of the hoop is going to end up with a bolt, the OEM bolt that goes in this hole here. Okay, let's try and get this thing in here without hitting anything. Okay, so it looks like this is actually going to go there. Maybe. Hopefully. Okay, so now I have both sides lined up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put that stock bolt in per their directions. Okay, John, what's going down here with the VR1? only the best.
Yeah, for real. I'm just drilling through some sheet metal, and the bit is getting real hot, real fast for some thin sheet metal.
So, as any logical person would do, we would be using VR1 on the bit.
Use what you have available.
Glasses on for safety, let's get it.
It's actually just so I look cool.
It's working.
Who put that there?
Already.
Woo!
The knuckles are gone already.
It's not even the knuckle. Look at that. It's shaking.
Okay, so John's been working on getting the roll bar set up. He's been having a lovely time.
So I thought I would save a lot of money by not buying the $100 step drill bit. So I bought the Harbor Freight $17 drill bit. And I think it would have saved me about 2.5 hours if I spent the money. But, balling on a budget.
That's how it goes.
It only cost $17, 3 hours of my time and a little bit of my sanity. Definitely took some years off the end of my life, but...
It definitely took a lot of sanity.
Nothing a couple of 4-letter words and shouting can't fix.
Well, we're just about ready to drop the roll bar in, so...
It's,
Yay.
They ask that you don't show exactly what you're doing, but to explain it in a way where I don't think I'm going to upset anybody, it's a box frame or a box bit of 2 pieces of sheet metal, and you need to get through that both sides straight, and you have to find a way to get a support in between those 2 pieces of sheet metal. So that's been a blast, but without going too much further into detail, we've done it.
We're almost there. And then the roll bar will be in. And John's really excited because in a few months' time, we're going to take this out and do this whole process again in my NC.
Probably going to see about a day, maybe 2 days of track time before it gets pulled out and the cage gets put in. So
no, it should hopefully.
It's not for nothing. It's almost for nothing.
It should see more than that. Well, hopefully. We'll try and make it more than that. We're having a great time. The install is insanely difficult and we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So, yeah.
Done worse. Not by much. I have done worse, and that's what's keeping me sane.
Okay, so finally the roll bar is installed. It looks great. It was a huge pain and a lot of work, but it looks really good now that it's in. We're gonna keep it covered just until the hard top is on and it's pretty much ready to go, just so it doesn't get any scratches or anything. I'm really enjoying watching this car come together as a race car. I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.